We are all creatures of habit. Emotional intelligence, as I discussed in my first video, is nothing but the communication between the emotional part of your brain and the rational thinking brain. If you think of the roads between two cities, if I take the example between Mysore and Bangalore, it can be either a two-way highway or it can be an eight-way highway. Now, a person who is well adept or he's emotionally has got high emotional intelligence, he will have an 8-lane highway between his emotional brain and his rational brain. There are people who their entire lives have a two-way lane between their emotional brain and the rational brain and keep on thinking about how they can improve or what is lacking in their life. If you really want to shine in your life, you have to build this 2-lane highway between your emotional brain and your rational brain to an 8-lane or a 10-lane highway. Now, how do we do this? Let me give you a classic example. Are you a person who has an urge to yell the moment you get angry? The next time you have this urge to yell when you get angry, switch your thoughts and come up with a different idea as to how you can control this. Think about a different reaction. And every time you make this effort, where I will give you, when I come to my final program, I will have a lot of ideas, lot of suggestions as to how you deal with your anger. But for example, as of now, you are a person who yells when you get with angry. Start counting from 10 to 1 in the reverse order. That will slow down your anger and you will get onto a different plane where you will have a different reaction to your anger. So the first time you do that, you build a neural connection between your emotional brain and your rational thinking brain. And every time you repeat this, every time you take control of your anger and not yell but take a different path towards this, you build one highway. So as you keep on repeating this new habit of having control over your anger and not yelling, you are building that neural highway which keeps on getting strengthened. And there will come a time when that will be your new normal. That will be your new habit. And that is when you can say that you have built an emotional 8-lane highway where every time you get angry, you know ways to handle it. You know that you are not supposed to yell, and you will take corrective and you will take directive actions to make sure that you don't yell at the person in front of you. This is one classic example of how you build your two-way lane between your emotional brain and your rational brain to a solid 8-way lane. Every time you act in a new way, you are building a neural connection between the two brains. And every repetition of this new behavior keeps on strengthening this strand. In scientific terminology, we call this the neuroplasticity of the brain. The brain has got the capacity to build new pathways which gradually over time with constant practice can become a solid fiber where the new reaction that a person takes or the new action that the person takes will be different from what he is currently doing. And that, my dear friend, is the secret to move from a previous state which is not good or correct or not accepted to the new way which will actually help you and the people around you. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.